Hi everyone, welcome back to Built by Becker. I'm your host Blake, and today I'm breaking down 10 ways to elevate your kitchen's look on a budget, making it feel luxurious without breaking the bank. Whether you're in the midst of a full renovation or simply refreshing your space, we're here to share contractor-approved design hacks that will work for every style. Grab a notepad because these tips will help you achieve high-end looks and smart upgrades. Let's get started. You guys have heard me say this before. Vision and strategy. Before any hammering goes on, the first step is to have a clear vision. High-end kitchens start with cohesive design plans. Decide if you're leaning towards a sleek, modern look, a warm, traditional vibe, or even something in between. Create a mood board. I got a lot of comments on this last week. Use digital tools or even a physical board to gather materials, colors, finishes that will inspire you. This helps ensure every design element, from countertops to lighting, works in harmony. Here's a contractor tip. When I consult with homeowners, having a clear, unified vision minimizes costly change orders later. A well thought out plan is the foundation for a kitchen that feels both expansive and refined. Now let's get into it. Upgrading kitchen layout and cabinetry. A kitchen's cabinetry can set the tone for the entire space and sometimes the entire home. Full height cabinets. Instead of leaving that awkward gap between your upper cabinets and your ceiling, opt for full height cabinets with a nice trim that goes right up to the ceiling. Or if you do have a high soffit, stacker cabinets that go up to the soffit. It not only maximizes storage, but instantly gives your kitchen a tailored custom look. Integrated cabinetry. Consider cabinet towers or panel-ready appliances that blend seamlessly with your cabinetry. Hiding your dishwasher or fridge behind a custom panel creates a unified, expensive aesthetic. And nowadays, you don't even have to go fully custom to get these options. Here's my contractor's perspective. We see kitchens transformed with these details. Upgrading your cabinet layout is a smart investment, both boosts the functionality and dramatically raises your perceived value of the space. Countertops and backsplash details. Countertops and backsplashes are the workhorses of kitchen design. Countertop finish. Instead of that high shine, that polished finish, that every smudge you can see, I recommend with a honed or matte finish. I'm seeing this all the time. It gives a velvety, natural look that hides imperfections from everyday use. Unless you have someone to wipe down your counters 24/7, I suggest this more soft and natural look. Seamless backsplashes, full backsplashes that runs continuous from your countertop, creates an illusion of a larger space while offering a clean, sophisticated look and super easy to clean. Now you can also accessorize thoughtfully. Keep your countertop essentials like soap dispensers, utensil holders in a uniform style or even color. Removing mix-match packaging and clutter goes a long way in giving you a clean designer look. Here's my note as a contractor. A cohesive countertop and backsplash combo is a small change that makes a huge impact, bringing together functionality and style in one seamless design. Even if you're not redoing your kitchen cabinets, you can just remove your countertops, remove your backsplash, install new, and instantly modernize your space. Flooring essentials and the magic of runners. I got this idea from the wife. I can't take full credit. Flooring is often an overlooked detail that can tie your whole kitchen together. Replace small mats with full runners instead of several small rugs that disrupt the flow. Install one long, durable runner that spans key areas like in front of your sink, stove, or island. Choose texture and color. Select runners with a subtle accent color or texture and add visual interest while keeping the overall look unified and upscale. Here's my contractor and husband's insight. Always use washable, long-lasting runners that not only enhance the design, but are practical in high-traffic kitchens. It's simply an upgrade that instantly makes your floor look more redefined, and it's easy to maintain. Lighting. I've talked about this in numerous videos. Task, ambient, and mood lighting can make or break luxurious feels of a kitchen. The layered lighting approach we're talking about all the time now. Integrate 3 types of lighting: under cabinet, toe kick lights, and work area. Task lighting, pendant lights, and ceiling fixtures that provide ample brightness for cooking and prepping. Mood lighting, soft, ambient lamps or sconces for evenings when you just want a warm, inviting feel. Here's my advice. Even if you're not doing a full remodel, Adding stick-on or motion sensor strip lights is an affordable way to create a layered lighting design. Even lamps can be helpful. This multi-level approach not only enhances functionality, but it also adds a high-end ambiance. Hidden storage and integrated appliances. I'm touching on this again because it really makes the difference in a high-end kitchen. A clean, clutter-free kitchen is the key to that expensive look. Concealed storage solutions, using appliance garages to hide everyday items like your toaster, blender, and other small appliances. Panel-ready options, upgrade your refrigerators and dishwashers to have panel-ready to match your cabinets, giving your kitchen a seamless, built-in appearance. A lot of the expensive kitchens we build hide the mess behind smart storage solutions. Sometimes it's an appliance garage, sometimes it's an entire hidden pantry or laundry room. Integrated appliances also not only boost the aesthetics, but improve functionality, making your space feel custom made. Decorative touches and soft furnishes. It's not just about the hard surfaces. Soft touches can elevate your kitchen design too. Window treatments. Replace standard blinds with cafe curtains or Roman shades to add a warm, inviting texture. Artwork and accessories. Consider framing a statement piece of art or installing a picture. This will accentuate key design elements. Even a well-placed vase with fresh flowers can soften the entire look of your kitchen. Here's my tip. A few decorative vignettes strategically placed around your kitchen can transform a purely functional space into a cozy, high-end environment that welcomes family and guests alike. Now, are you ready for this? Bold design choices and statement elements. I'm really seeing this a lot, and I absolutely love it. For those who want to push the envelope and truly make a statement, daring cabinet colors. A bold cabinet hue, whether deep charcoal, navy, or even black, can serve as the focal point of your kitchen when it's done right. Unique countertop materials. Experiment with distinctive stone patterns that double as art pieces, offering a dramatic contrast to the rest of your kitchen design. And this one right here, statement lighting fixtures. Consider a standout pendant or chandelier that adds your own personality and creates a visual focal point. Here's my contractor's reflection. While these choices may be bolder, they're perfect for the homeowners who are ready to invest in a kitchen that truly reflects them. We've seen kitchens that take these risks and become the talk of the neighborhood, and they're always feeling custom and way upscale. Here's my conclusion. This brings us to the end of our design hacks for making your kitchen look expensive. Let's recap. Number 1, set a clear design vision with a detailed mood board. Number 2, upgrade your cabinetry with full height options and integrated designs. Number 3, choose honed countertops and seamless backsplashes. Number 4, enhance your flooring with sleek, long, maintenance easy runners. Number 5, layer your lighting for functionality and mood. Number 6, invest in hidden storage and panel-ready appliances. Number 7, add decorative touches that soften hard surfaces. And finally, don't be afraid to go bold with statement pieces when it suits your style. I hope these contractor-approved tips inspired you to create a kitchen that's not only beautiful, but built to last. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe, get a membership, and let us know what your favorite design hack is in the comments below. We love hearing back from you, and I personally respond to all these messages. Thank you for watching Built by Becker, where quality construction meets high-end design, and I'll see you in the next video.